On today's video, we're making Easter ham and eggs, but we're making it breakfast style. So let's get to cooking. All right, so this is the breakfast that I have cooked a ton. When I worked at Robert's Grill, we served breakfast. We did omelets, we did all of it, but this was one of my favorites simply because we used the ham steak. And I'm shocked that not many people don't know what this is. Ham cut like a steak. Got the bone in it and everything, so relatively inexpensive. This one was $1.63 plus tax. We got frozen hash browns, eggs, Texas toast. This is all you need for one of the best breakfasts you'll ever have. We got the griddle going. Now for the eggs, I got one side turned completely down, and I'll probably, honestly, right before I put the eggs on it, I'll turn it off. So when you're cooking breakfast on a griddle, you need to be in zones. I always like to think of a hot zone, a medium zone, and then a cool zone. Cool zone is where you cook your eggs. When I say cook your eggs, I mean over easy eggs, sunny side up. That's what you want to do in that cool zone. Omelets and stuff, you're going to want to do in the medium zone. And you could actually do this right here as a 3-egg omelet. I would cook the meat, cube it up, and then beat up 3 eggs, dump them on there. I shape them on the flat iron, put my ham in there with cheese and whatever else you like, and then fold it all up. We're not gonna do that today. Let me get my hash browns down. Now, when it comes to cooking hash browns, I'm old school, regular old vegetable oil. So I'm gonna see if I can keep them in a good shape. I can cut my steak. There's a seam of fat that runs right through the middle of this. Now, when you're cooking ham steak, I look at it like 2 different ways. There's this side and this side. If you cut it right here, you can get this little piece to hold on. It's hard, but this side over is the #1 side. So that's what you give the customers you like, is this guy right here. And it's got the bone in it. In all actual reality, this other side is my favorite piece. It has less of the fat running through it. I like to use this for omelets and stuff like that. I just dice it up. But for the sake of this video, it's got the bone in it. We're gonna use the bone inside. We are gonna let our hash browns flip before we put this on. This doesn't take long to cook. So right now, we wait on hash browns. So SPG, I'll get them right. Damn it. Son of a bitch. We'll have better luck on that other side. All right, we'll get our ham steak down. We better get some toast going. We can get it going now. Kerrygold butter, grass-fed butter. More, shit. We should have leveled it. There we go. A little SPG. A little on the hot side. Let's get these browns off. What do you think? And pull them back, flip them. Man, I feel like we should do those eggs again though, man. I hate taking a one-handed egg. Not coming down here. There we go.
Look at that.
Much better. You just gotta jump back on the horse when you fall off, you know? Most people would have ate that. I'm not gonna eat that.
You're not most people.
If I'm not gonna eat it, I'm not gonna serve it to somebody. This does look good though already. It's coming together. Traditionally, people, make an Easter ham, invite all your family over. If you just wanna be a little selfish, just make this for yourself. Screw the rest of them. They can eat pizza. All right, so we got to get in here and try these eggs first. All right. The SPG on these eggs, one of my favorites in the morning. I'm gonna get me a little bit of ham. Woo, look at that. I love ham steaks. I absolutely love ham steaks. I'm gonna move this toast out of the way. Slowing me down right now. I like hash browns and egg together. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe right here, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes, print it off and make it for yourself. But I kind of feel like it's pretty explanatory. Is that a word? Self-explanatory? I don't know. Do what you want to do, but this is damn good. Catch you in the next video. Peace. Drew's gonna have fun editing this one. Leave it all in, Drew.